In this video, I will show you how to change channel country on YouTube. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on youtube.com. So you can see I'm currently here on my channel. Now to go ahead and change your channel country, whether you've moved country or something like that, it's really easy to do. First, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. From the menu that comes up, you want to come down and click to go to your studio. Then from here, you need to come down to the bottom left hand corner on this menu and click onto settings. Next, what you need to do is come over to the left hand side and you want to click onto the option that says channel. And from here, as you can see, we can change our country of residence. So what you need to do is click onto this drop down box and choose the country from the available countries. Once that's done, make sure to come down and press the save button down here. And that is how to change your channel country on YouTube. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.